In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to migrate Wix website to WordPress. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer over all of the content that you have on a Wix website to WordPress. The easiest way to do this is going to be using a migration plugin. So this is by far the most convenient option. It is going to automate the process as much as it can, and all that you have to do is download the RSS file of your Wix website. So you will be able to download that file to initiate this transfer. Alternatively, use the plugins or the menu at the left side of your WordPress website dashboard, and in there you will be able to choose Tools and Import. When you select Import, one of the options is going to be Wix. So as you can see, you have WordPress, Blogger, Medium, Squarespace, Substack, and then Wix. There is also a full list that you can look into, but for this video, I'm just going to be focusing on Wix. Immediately upon selecting Wix, you will be able to enter the URL of your Wix site into the provided box and then start the import. If multiple authors are detected on your Wix website, you will be presented with an option to assign each author's content to the equivalent users on your WordPress site. Otherwise, your Wix content will be automatically assigned to your WordPress account, and then you can just go ahead and repeat this process as needed to transfer everything over. Afterwards, you will be able to review the content. Because there is some limited compatibility between WordPress and Wix, they will attempt to import as much of the content as possible, but you will have to look into static pages, images, site titles, menus, and various other blocks and functions to make sure that everything is set up properly. And once this is done, you will be good to go. Next, you can consider transferring over your entire domain to WordPress, although this isn't going to be mandatory. I hope I was able to help you on how to migrate Wix website to WordPress. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.